In this video, we will talk about the circular motion of a car on the road. See what happens. There are two types of roads. First one is level road and the second one is banked road. What is level road and what is banked road? Level road in which the level of road is not changes while taking the turn, but in banked road the road is raised outwards. When the car take turns, then road is raised outwards to increase its speed. When the outer edge of the road is raised by some angle theta, then what happens? Its maximum safe speed of the car increases as compared to this case. On a level road, when a car takes turns, then centripetal acts towards the center, centripetal force acts towards the center, and friction is also acting in this direction. That's why car is able to take the turn. But if centrifugal force is more, then car will not take the proper turn and it will come out, or we can say the car will skid off. But in the banked road, why banking is done? Banking is done to increase the maximum safe speed of the car. Due to this banking, the maximum safe velocity of the car is increased. How it is increased, we will derive the formula for both of the cases, and then we will able to see that how the maximum safe speed of the car is increasing. Now, in this case, I am drawing its free body diagram, and what will happen, its mg will act in the downward direction. So in the downward direction mg is acting, and in upward direction the reaction force will be acting. The reaction force will be acting in the upward direction. So if I take r and mg, and car is not moving upward and not moving downward, it is simply moving on this road, then what I can write it as r is equals to mg. Now the friction on the tires of the car will act towards the center, so I am taking it as a small f of friction, and to stay on the road, the maximum force of friction must be equal or greater than the centripetal force. So centrifugal force will acting in the outward direction, and we know that centrifugal force is given by mv square upon r, and the friction force, it is in this direction. So friction force must be equal or greater. So friction force must be equal or greater than mv square upon r. What is r? Small r. Small r is the radius of this turn. Small r is the radius of this turn. So friction must be greater or equal to keep the car on the road. If friction is less than the centrifugal force, then what will happen? Centrifugal force will be more and car will skid off. Now, what is the formula for frictional force? It is mu r. Mu r should be greater than equal to mv square upon r. What is r? R will be equal to mg. So what I can write it as mu mg should be greater than equal to mv square upon r. M will be cancelled out, and on solving this I will get it as v square should be less than equal to mu rg, or I can write it as v should be less than equal to under root of mu rg. So the velocity of car must be less than or equal to mu rg, or for the maximum case I can write it as, for maximum value of this one will be mu rg. So this is the maximum safe speed of car on moving on a level road. Now, if the speed of car is more than this one, then what will happen? Car will skid off, or car will not be able to take the complete turn. It will be thrown out. Now, for the banked road, what is banking? I can say the system of raising the outer edge of a curved road above its inner edge. Above its inner edge is called the banking of curved road, and the angle by which the curved road is raised above is known as angle of banking. So here theta is angle of banking, and this one is the plane of the road in which the car will take the turn. So driver feels that he is leaning towards the center while car is taking the turn when it is moving on the banked road. So we know that where will be the r will be in this direction. It is perpendicularly upwards to the surface, so this one will be r, and I can make its two components. First component will be r cos theta, and second component will be r sin theta. So in this direction it will be r sin theta, and in the upward direction it will be r cos theta. mg will be acting towards the earth directly, so this portion will be equal to mg. Now what about friction? Friction is again acting inwards, but the surface is tilted, so friction will be acting like this, small f. Now again making the component of the friction also, what I can write, it's this component will be f cos theta, as this angle will be theta according to geometry with respect to this angle, and this one will be f sin theta. Now what I can do, r sin theta is acting towards the left side, and with respect to f cos theta is also acting the left side, and the outer side there will be mv square upon r. So I can write r sin theta plus f cos theta is equals to mv square upon r. Similarly, mg is acting downward and f sin theta is also acting downward, and r cos theta is acting upward. So I can write it as mg plus f sin theta, mg plus f sin theta is equals to r cos theta, or I can change it as r cos theta minus f sin theta, it will be equal to mg. So this one is the first equation and this one is the second equation. If I use both of them, then I can write it as r sin theta plus f cos theta upon r cos theta minus f sin theta. It will be equal to v square upon rg, and m will be cancelled out. On dividing each term by r cos theta, we will get r will be dividing each term by r cos theta. This one will be divided by r cos theta. Similarly, this one will be divided by r cos theta. Each term is divided by r cos theta. Then what will happen? I will get it as tan theta plus small f upon r upon 1 minus small f upon r tan theta is equals to v square upon rg. Now what is small f? Small f is friction and it is always equal to mu r. So while I will put here mu r, r will be cancelled on these two fractions. So I will get it as tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta multiplied by rg. This one will be equal to v square. So v will be equal to square root of rg tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. This one will be equal to v. So this is the maximum safe speed in the case of banked road, and this was the maximum safe speed in the case of level road. This speed is more as compared to this. We can easily see this is mu rg and this is mu rg plus mu rg tan theta. So something is greater here. Also the denominator is less than 1 minus mu tan theta. That's why this speed is more as compared to this. So to increase the maximum safe speed of the car, the road is generally raised outwards, or we can say it is banked. Now for its special case, I can say when there is no friction. So when there is no friction, then what will happen? In this case only, when there is no friction, then mu will be equal to 0, then if mu will be equal to 0, then what will happen? V will be equal to, this one will be 0, and in the denominator it will be 1 only, so I can write it as V will be equal to Rg tan theta's square root. So this one will be the maximum safe velocity in the case when the mu is 0, and this case is also known as minimum wear and tear case. And if I want to find tan theta from here, then tan theta will be equal to V square upon Rg, or I can say the angle of banking will be equal to tan inverse V square upon Rg. This one will be equal to theta.